A dark cloud shrouded the interview of academic Dr. Marumeja Kate Malepe. This as despite her academic qualifications, past skeletons were thrust in the spotlight by the JSC, such as her lack of judicial experience, the alleged theft of church funds, and lastly, her ability to manage her finances, as she is currently under debt review, which JSC Commissioner Advocate Tembega Ngwaitobi SC probed her on.
There are only two options. It's either you are lifted from it or you are declared insolvent. And at the moment you have not been lifted, you have not been declared insolvent, but the risk is there.
According to me, there is no risk because the indebtedness is going down. It's coming to an end as we speak right now.
Sorry,
Hear that? Just repeat yourself, ma'am. I said I don't think I will reach that stage because the...
You don't think you will reach that stage?
Yeah, because the indebtedness is coming down. Those loans that I had are now at a very, very low, balances.
The candidate's writing ability was also a point of contention for SCA President Justice Mahube Betty Mulemela, as no material was provided to test this requirement, which is critical to serving on any bench in South Africa.
I want you to assure us that you will be able to pen and hand down judgments within acceptable time periods if you are appointed at the Constitutional Court.
Freedom Under Law is one of the interested parties that flagged their concern about the candidate before the interviews, according to the NGO's research consultant Chris Oxtoby.
This was an issue that we flagged before the interviews, specifically because this candidate on paper did not look like she had the experience and the track record to be a serious candidate for the Constitutional Court. And unfortunately, the interview itself has simply borne out those concerns.
Oxtoby adds that the shortlisting process is an area that the JSC needs to look at.
It is a mystery as to what happened in the shortlisting process, how she was felt to be a sufficiently credible candidate to be shortlisted. We've in the past highlighted that the shortlisting process is not as transparent as it might be, that it is not clear what criteria are used for shortlisting candidates, and I think this is something that the JSC will need to look at going forward.
The JSC interviews continue on Monday, the 13th of October, 2025. Kani Maphanga, SABC News, Johannesburg.